Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm here to throw an opportunity out to you guys that if you have interest in getting a farmland for farming, especially if you want to plant a cassava farm, please reach out to me because I have this particular land and it's an acres of land, not even a plot of land. It's an acres of land that someone is want to sell it out at the rate of 450,000 naira per 1 acre, and that land is very good. It's kind of cheap and it's closer to where I'm staying. It will use like 30 minutes to 45 minutes to reach that farm. And this particular place I'm staying is at Oyo State. The place is called Oyidundu after Monia. So if you want to get that particular land or if you want to purchase that particular land, reach out to me. Like I said, you can use it for your crop farming, like cassava farm. You can use it for your maize farm, and you can use it to plant any other crop farm also. So, and if you plant this crop finish during the harvesting time, it's not be difficult for you to market it. It's very easy for you to market this particular crop. So please, if you have interest, you can reach out to me. Like I said, the land is okay, the land is good. There is no issue on it, and the person is willing to sell the land out for people that has interest in on crop farming, in agricultural farming. So if you want to go into agriculture and if you are not staying here, maybe probably you are staying at abroad or you are staying in anywhere, and if you want to get this particular land at Oyo State, you can reach out to me. Oyo State is a very peaceful area, and in that particular place there is no herdsmen, so maybe on cattle or any other thing won't disturb your crops. They won't disturb your crops. If you plant there, you just need to cultivate the land, bring tractor, they will cultivate it, and you plant your cassava. And you know, cassava farm has been a very important or a lucrative business that a lot of people won't do without. You know, because there are so many products to be obtained from cassava. There's this even company that you can patronize or you can sell your cassava to if you join that particular company called a new life. On Life Plus, Life Plus. You can just partnership with them. You know, they use this cassava for alcohol. You know, they'll give you the stem that you need to plant, so they'll get on ethanol from the particular cassava, so they'll use it to do alcohol. So they can buy your cassava in large quantity for you if you have interest. If you purchase this land, the next thing is, although you are purchasing it on ahead of on next year, not this year again, because this year has already gone already. So you purchase it at ahead of on next year. So you cultivate it, then you plant your cassava. And this cassava and this stem I'm talking about, they can grow within 6 months to 8 months. It can grow within 6 months to 8 months. You know, we have an improved, an improved breed or varieties of cassava right now, or stem that you can plant. So if you want this stuff, you can actually get the land, then get the stem. You can get the stem from their company also as well. Then you plant it, and if your cassava is ready for harvesting, they will come and they will buy the whole cassava from you. So there's no need of you stressing yourself, going up and down, looking for people to come and buy the cassava from you. So please, if you have interest in purchasing this particular land for your crop farming, reach out to me. And like I said, the price is 450,000 naira per 1 acre. So they have up to like 15 and 10 acres. So if you want to purchase it, please do well to reach out to me. You know, agriculture is a very important thing and it's a very lucrative thing that we can't do about. We need to keep on investing our money on it, you know, and there is profit to be made from cassava each year, each time, unless maybe the price of things comes down. I know this year, price of things were very, very high. In short, some people sold cassava up to like 200,000 naira by one box that they used to pack this particular cassava, like this box that is showing right now. So it's very important for you to invest your money into cassava farming. You know, at the end of it, if you see that the cassava is not selling, you can turn it into different products like the gari. And you know, gari is very, very important. We can't do without gari. One congo of gari now is 450 to 350. So if you say if you harvest your cassava and your cassava is much, you can turn it into gari and you can start selling your gari, and you can store the gari for a very long time. You can turn it into fufu, and you know, you can sell it to all those big restaurants, and you know, people bought fufu a lot and they eat it a lot. So you can turn your gari into a lot, you can turn your cassava into a lot of things in case if there is no on a nice price for it. So cassava business is lucrative and it's important, and like I said, you need to get a good land, a good soil. The texture is good, everything about the soil is good. Then you plant your cassava, and your cassava will start doing. So please, if you have interest, you can reach out to me. At the end of this video, I'll be dropping my contact list. you can call me for it or you can message me on WhatsApp and we are going to talk from there. So please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified when next I drop a new videos like this for you. Like this video and share. Bye.